make stuff for my dad all the time.
Okay everyone, welcome to my video, and today I'll be making what's called a Boston cream pie. Okay.
I want to get an apron that crosses in the back.
So you guys may be wondering, what's a Boston cream pie? Well, if you stick around, you'll find out. Thanks. Come on. There we go. Oh. Get down there. Okay. Okay, so now we're supposed to whisk them together until... Is this good enough? So now I have to mix stuff into a saucepan. Is this a saucepan?
No.
So basically I have to put sugar, cornstarch, and milk in here, and then until it bubbles. And she's old. Who likes old people, am I right?
People that hate during the cooking process do not get to try it.
And now we stir until it thickens and bubbles. Okay guys, so it's been about 15 minutes and this has finally thickened up, and I'm honestly really surprised. Like, look.
Miracles happen.
Yep. So first you add a little bit of egg whites. There's definitely some cooked egg whites on there, but you know, wow. Okay guys, sorry that I look like Thomas Jefferson right now. I tend to do that. Wow, these eggs are for sure cooking in here. Like, for sure. No doubt in my mind that these are cooked eggs in here. And if you get some cooked eggs in there, you know, breakfast and dessert together. So, glass is not half empty, it is half full. Okay guys, so to spare you the rest of the details, I'm just gonna come back when the cream is actually done, and so we'll see you guys in a little bit. So now we're gonna move on to making the cakes. You have to line the bottom with parchment paper. Okay guys, so once you've drawn your amazing circle that's very even, wanna cut it out. Frick, I'm so bad at cutting. I got a check minus in cutting on my report card in kindergarten. Okay guys, so here's your little circle and you're just gonna slide it right in there. Why is this? Combine flour, baking powder, and salt. So, you want to add this. Ooh. I'll see you guys when the batter is made. Hey guys, so it's been like 30,000 years and we are back with the two cakes. Life is unexpectable or unpredictable, and you can't predict what is going to happen. So now it's time to make the ganache, which I hate that word. Okay, so you might want to use like not expired corn syrup, but for this sake, I am going to be using it. So sorry, Dad, if you're watching this. What you are eating is expired. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Okay guys, so today we're gonna play a game called Try Corn Syrup. Ready, go.
This is like a gel, dude.
Do you like it?
I didn't taste anything.
Oh. Well, that was a disappointing game. Okay guys, so we are back and I have my two cakes right here and they've been cooling and it's time to assemble, so. And then you just want to put the other one on top. Wow, that is the messiest cake I've ever seen. Okay everyone, this is my masterpiece. It looks really gross, but it tastes really good. So I think that was a 10 out of 10. And we will have taste testers to come in and inspect what this tastes like. And yeah, so.
Like my women, like what? Thick and pretty, pretty and thick. Like my money, hundreds and fifties.